Over 5 years ago, Socratica enlisted me to teach you Python. In that time, we have created 32 video lessons. But to really learn Python, you need more than 32 videos. To be precise, you need a lot more than 32 videos. Currently, we make a new Python video every 2 months, on average. They make Marvel movies more often than that. So I had an idea. Here I am thinking about my idea. You can see the excitement on my face. Here's my idea. What if we made Python videos more quickly? This brings us to my next big idea. What if Socratica asked for help? I would like to clarify one point. Do I need help? Ha! No. Does Socratica? Definitely. So we are starting a Kickstarter campaign to raise funds to create a large stack of Python videos in a single year. For less than the cost of 1 second of Avengers Endgame, you too can enjoy tutorials on classes, threads, NumPy, SciPy, networking, and more. Much more. So join us, and together we will produce a Python playlist so powerful that programmers everywhere will praise me. I mean us. The link to our project is below. It is now up to you.